Well, guys, here's part 3 in assembling the Volvo. Hey guys, it's Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, click notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. In part 2, we put back almost everything together now. Since this visor, every time you go 55 miles an hour goes up, we're gonna put a self-tapping screws on each side. That's the next step, and we're gonna be attaching a horn to the car, gonna be attaching fog lights, and we're gonna be working on the radio. And then we can start working on the interior with the possibility of everything getting done today. We'll see. Alright guys, the self-tapping screws are on. This visor is going nowhere. We can go down the road up to 100 miles an hour if we wanted to. Alright guys, time for the horn install. Here, blow it in, you'll see how loud it is. Just listen to this. This is going to be on the classical car. So there you go. So we have a T to connect that. It comes with an air compressor. We got ourselves a button that we'll be able to drill into the dash and all the wiring for it. So let's get started with it and let's go. Well guys, since we are putting the horn underneath the fender directly, and we already turned the steering wheel to the left to see if it'll touch when we put the horn, and won't rub or anything. So we're gonna attach it very securely down there. We have to take off the wheel for it, and should be able to finish it no problem. Alright guys, I'll show you the progress and what I did. So I'm gonna turn on this light. Hopefully it works, I don't know. There you go. Alright, as you can see, I zip tied this, and I also put why I did this is because so it won't be rubbing to put the tape on. But anyway, here's the zip ties, here's the horn, how it got attached up here. Let's go over to where it's actually attached over here. So that's how it's screwed on, and the compressor is screwed on here very tightly. I'll show you exactly where it's screwed on. Right there, that bolt. Now, if we go over here, that's the relay. Zip tied the relay to the bracket there. Yellow goes to the relay. White wire is a switch, and this is for your, well, to the positive. And then the ground wire is connected here. So let me show you how it is on the inside. Right, and zip ties, of course, here. And I ran the white wire to the button over here. So now it's just time to test it out. Alright guys, so I did not make anything like get a lot of stuff done or whatnot. Only did the horn and this today, so we did put the wheel back on. I have installed, though, the good news is I have installed basically off-road lights or custom fog lights on them now. So run the wires down here, and from underneath it runs through that hole, but there wires actually in between over here. There's a splitter. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how we ran it down here. I had to take off the heating duct over here and re-put it because the wires ran it underneath here. Attached the ground to here, ran the switch again to here, zip tied the wires back into here, zip tied this positive here, the power and everything. That's your fuse. So yeah, that's how it is. Now I'm gonna close the hood. I'm gonna show you what else I did up there. All right, to show you guys, this is what the switch looks like. We took out the old cigarette lighter port because I'm gonna make my own power assembly kit. So I took that out. But oh, that's my dumb Siri. Anyway, here's the switch, how it works. So it'd be easy. I might glue it or something back, but it's not gonna go anywhere. It's stuck permanently. So as you can see, it lights up. So now what I'm gonna do is gonna show you how it looks like lit up. So guys, this is how it looks like right here on the outside. So now I'm gonna show you guys how they look like turned on. So guys, I did do one thing more for today. I added the 544 emblems, one in the front here and the grill, B18 544. It's a B20, but B18 is the original motor in this one, so same block as B20 though, but B20 is better. But B18, I just decided to put that on there. Anyway, I'm gonna show you another place where I put the 544 emblem, and it's all, that one was done by wire, metal wire. I attached it. This is double tape 544 on the glove compartment, so it looks nice. And one more. So now the back emblems are complete. So as you can see, it says Volvo, and then there's a 544 emblem in the back. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.